Now for this, all you need is little Frankfurts. I use the ones that are skinless, and just get a knife or something and just put a few little lines in it. So these will be just like the lines on your fingers. And don't worry if it doesn't look too noticeable yet. For here, just cut out the shape of a nail. You can have it going as wide as you want, whatever you want. It's as simple as that. Now get a little bit of tomato sauce or ketchup and rub that over it. That will then make these little lines stick out more. Same with the fingernail part, just to darken it a little bit. Simple. Just put on a plate and we'll add some sauce for blood and we're ready to go. I'll just get some tomato sauce or ketchup. Put it down near the end like that. So space it to try and make it look realistic. There you go. Simple, easy, but great effect.